Dusty boots, some older clothes. Ain't no mansion, just a humble abode. Been riding fences since I was 15, living for those cowboy days. Sunrise greets me with a touch of gold, cattle lowing as the dawn unfolds. Saddle up, head towards the stream, chasing those endless cowboy dreams. Cowboy dreams that keep me strong, in the saddle where I belong. Through the valleys and down the streams, living life on cowboy dreams. Evening shadows paint the plain, whistling softly through the rain. Campfire story stars agleam, holding on to cowboy dreams. Mama's picture in my vest reminds